One omranti ni nyina echichiamo. DSP Yaudankwa, we are District Police Commander, Chembua District. Good morning to you and your men. Me share and come to say anapai na mene mensini krache a ujina homa adeshia wo infanteman mensini mo honorable Kenneth Kelly Esuman mene no enshen come to no ase honorable timinka me mo ache
meje so papa
ahode
yesu adom ode achaye
ede nyamiase mamindi kan embisa enhyehyaya mensini fantaman mensini modi agu akwan so say kwan ya the honorable member of parliament of far so hwere ne kwan dia atwetwe nkoma but ene yedi ni na wotweden enhyehyaya no etisen honorable
yo medase ankama minche wana pena minche wetefu nyina so nyame adom ma obotihe no tiheni ya megodo rebo ya huban ototondama enti police service IGP na nempenfunye yan regional commander ya nyoka say what the we beef up security who mentioning armored vehicles na za wadaba why exercise our fano confidence building enti we bring troops papa ama patrols mo ayedem we miem papa o mentioning ntiyame atom nyanam kwano nyame nam kwan foforodo na orbo ho ban nyenenyo wo ono nifie ho papa police forward di ho industry nti bambo wo mentioning wede nyame adom wa ni mo ayedem nti egudo and then ye jona bo ne na awotwe nti baye non kuno bri na ye ba shase ewo mankasim baby of school kasim baby ana na bo nara opreya onya contract fee koda warrior astrotef ona blame ya astrotef no wananda ye kobongwa na yezi na wapi Dami Adoma Vice President His Excellency Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Kumasi Ordinary Nyam Baba Bata Yenechi na yetu yizana abona na wapi enti bisaya na nshishaya ohoye
ana minimse me no kasa nyina no supa hinu asem no but the party in the constituency many am between komo but assembly no akasa so me say my special arrangement and na wotweda no mode ebeboa honorable
me pocho assembly no na party na ebusia na ya gboma yedi dwumani nyinara enti yentum kada injiri ya ne zonko enti na ya gboma yedi enti damana enshisha nete
obo astrotef ne so na mamera ho enti when we ana
we ti after the contractor no obo tumana we the same thing the Mankasim market new market on Abuwa Kapir $1 million per constituency on Kuti on 50 million Ghana cedis.
Wow,
this Mankasim market for then master Ndasumaka Doman Penyon say 2 years market area on Fontonabo Kwanza the Honorable Kwanza market complex our Mankasim send our brim papa
Honorable Meta no Akasabiu.
That's
Honorable Kenneth Kelly Esuman and Meneno Atriche and Komono. Access Bank the perfect start promo no aba na mabo honka ya enti se wo ya wo fo na se wonte ya Mamenkayo se wo Access Bank early savers account no na betimi aboa wo ma won so chefa e wo more than 100,000 plus other amazing prizes on sabit me aka. Yes, we are register Abofrano na Ghana.accessbankplc.com/earlysavers and afre toll free 0800 004400. Now with just 200 Ghana cedis, our new and as existing Access Bank Early Savers account will be your point. Early bird membership milestone savings culture points. Now we'll build the up point in one 2,000 points per qualify. Microsite Honso so. Now what train the Bosumi Achadebia our hobby breed Abofrano bit me every nibie. Asani our Access got talent na fe Crazy Sundays on the Abofrano to me bicycles PS5 na fe tablet. Enti share social media. And also the Bonkata who don't know fe details no onsa entumi kan wo ho. Channel sense share kakra e wo ho. Access Bank more than banking. Unim se kwala tunes ya ufro bia me kire nwuma a wotia ansa ne pakro no ansa ko no ana obi fra wa enwuma abeba ma nipa kro no atia ansa na wo ansa call no na what you be betimi edi 1000 Ghana cedis MTN na semina making MTN caller choose betimi ma osa kwanya no Emma when ya 1000 Ghana cedis na what you be 4000 Ghana cedis busumi bia na grand prize in 15,000 Ghana cedis kane 150 million. Ain't download your favorite song our MTN caller choose channel no eso. You can copy a caller tune or renew your existing caller tune and win big because we are good together. Send it start. Send it start. Fako 1355. Our SMS section hono. Send it start. START. Fako 1355. And now so dial it star 1355 hash. Now follow prompt no now for subscribing. Never channel so say kakra e wo ho. We there for you. Everywhere you go. Oran Richard Techi Mensa or NPP Central Regional Secretary Meneno and Choche and Como Richard Akwaba. Upon Bokwadi.
About another Roma, Moy and also.
Namiadum Yahudia, me now because on our work Kwanza Hayford now. In fact, we had a very good relationship on the personal terms. That assembly see, you know, I just couldn't control myself, Richard. I just couldn't control myself. Since 2015, and meneno mi no yenya sa yonkofano. And I feel it's a big blow to me personally. It's a big blow to me personally. And but I want to say that the party in the region, Richard.
CJ, but I say, Minchia, our production team, no way to find no pay. Honorable Kwanze for the oh yeah, Ghana money na the sheko. Was no man for papa. Maka, no yeah, a friend of multimedia. Sunday, Marcus Puno candidate BNP na several times in appear on the Adon FM morning show as panelist. And he was a friend of multimedia. Na biche kasepa no abo MPP amanyeku nyinara finfi mantu gankan fantom na dam wakan enne nyeda ebusia year enna emma na dofo na party ehiem ya yutom atomaze na ebusia ezeda obeshiem why atomaze was honorable akama na bofwe kwam chair that was bucket in the chief yachi and see so far bibia de na queen ya yehihye nyina and the pain on kron ya sha se e wo Mankasim school Kasim Park da mebia ne ya bibia na mpo bobo hwa why yehihye a we gigman mu akwanyima o ya na Astrate Park zama Mankasim mine na CJ da ma so since I see I've never been of myself. Man, so mini close pa na was down to earth, very humble, all embracing. He was in the process of making history. The first time MPP win in Fantaman, yes, as he win at Shadow 2 consecutive terms. Yeah, bra, no, quite for the mafia. But we have for a recover. The kids only me washing and oya roho mo ya yan na ma me ba kupo na ba kupe so onye mpo na ho na one plan oya na ho na mo oya yan so that he died in the line of duty no question man for him I want to come on someone Juma we dream fear baza confia nine we money kind of more soon yeah them we should be going ye could to one fancy man e could be anywhere a quani honorable a coquancy for this Sunday more on the bay to a 2 weeks ago he was in my community and ransom we meet people in groups now but for fun with Frank or there honorable Brana young we need 2 hours, 1 hour, he will be there. Very accessible. And Jay had no purport to the man. Lunch, and when we are free, when you had the Shima on some here. See, awesome. Na in the Yashim, na Yajidefi was your na party. If you miss my semi or see ya, and if you are man, you cool, and if you are buying, watch the doctor say that on a work of say for Nama me, Niger, number, Nebusia, Nera. As a seen any other thing from a course Abanazi, but ordering your confirmation. The original chairman Robert Quitting Jr., who didn't him, my acquire a bushia for it could be sent or say. And the Queen I was my ten or an occur. Regional chairman, Kachuroma National Party. Party. You're more born than one to Chando. General Secretary, would see him by them and the national chairman, also now my show, Nimia Abofama, or seen or Western region. So to General Secretary, or by your canon, your query, a Pichi Busia, a year and not Matna for. That the change would no man paying and see no man paying wait to kind of crock mal and see oh boy the cheap me Jordan and the pra no man paying or man guessing Obechi Busia a year and na and ma no more yako and the chief no national chairman Freddie Blee. So one in the other coupe in behind Coquan for. Zuamba man was from Abazi. Now so Obase no father baby chibusia a year a bat and nam no ye adofina. Ma out of with them. Yes, Speaker of Parliament. In leadership of Parliament, so don't man paying back on a panel. I've been also one by. Also, Ubichia Busia for no more Yako. No me at the Nebusia Adolfo na year na Adolfina Bishim. No ya 2 months and ya did that as the bucket and honorable nature letter party phone Adolfo a vigil. No so when you so catch it.
But Richard Osha Sarah Husemi Beha constituency no going into December elections. Beha constituency no quite be so. Richard
CJ Mama Kaine, indeed a great vacuum has been created. A great vacuum has been created in the Fantaman MPP. It will be very difficult to fill that vacuum. No more yenije. Yenina, yenije there. Honorable Council for or ye juma or some man for him. The American maybe a new Abokwan and Sunday Juma on you. Maybe a crook piara bring out the crowd a co oyan or homonum. On the chat, Fatima Pa. All the MPP my conference what this to do. Lady, only me I will me there. I wrote who the one by them. Now so and Fantaman, you won't be in few. Fantaman, Bashako in him while we retain his seat.
Niamidibe Chatwana Majao Quine will position on Honorable Kwansa Hayford, Nigeria, CCA, na se kan ne kan one na so obesi ni kuna name on the party ticket at the constituency level what do you know ho any say Richard
yo see me da say Imaya the Gametran National Executive Committee of the party no was official statement was aba now I'm so as regional secretary Makanwasam na ana sani fanso mutira my general secretary or kanda ma African station because say what it took an likely true that's the proposal that we've made honorable Kokwanse for for any bopon for any dijuma on shebiara ya neger ana mpoma metede bibiano obai no ene kan jumo keti bi odbe mpono akwachiwa obai no cheda aha no onkuye ene dam na chede ma me no so onyu consensus mo pa juma ko waiting or a pillar behind all the success that I'm talking about. It's a very good replacement. La as I'm honorable Kokwanse for that. Is the Kutina on ye. And see as a major party, a national party, on the tune or one sim or a national executive committee of the party. And see my one, you know, so in your go to your consolidation, your consensus party, regional party, in that of Funinara. So that's the general consensus there. As a Obano is honorable Nanema, Obasana Obafata. Osana honorable Kokwanse for why ye bieran your banisma on ye Udibanquete papa and see when you how we may as a constituency and therefore she will be the best the very suitable replacement for our late member of parliament and parliamentary candidate.
Well, Richard, but on this issue, meaning that what concerned you to be almost so say, and you don't so honorable, you know, and Yafano and two party in the ticket so at the constituency. What?
Meant to be them, the concern you to be or baby, as the Mamima me, Obibiera, a semi scene, why are actively involved. My other in the general feeling of the good people from Fansma there. Obasana Bafata. On the Nameka proposals are quite painful him or shed. I was a true con, na me I can watch my Tanya but so far I share more Korea. She's the best person. She's the best person. And she fine. You be an idea of Bacana origin or a day another be the many create maybe. But the general feeling of the people, the general consensus is that the best replacement for the late Kokwanse for the year. Now you know what one reasons are the
but Richard, the almost concern is say one whom meno our political campaign platform be also edda. I don't know if you agree with them and answer. So what do you know?
Oh, I'm before I hear registration. Limited registration, general registration where Nancy has registration for where I was in charge of Fantaman.
Okay.
So I mean, the late honorable Yechime in Senior Kufimba, the lady was actively involved. All she did, agent, she was actively involved.
Okay, but again, Richard, again, almost say they are not aware if she's a card-bearing member of the NPP.
And yet, in some, no winning. So, at the right time, those issues we are addressed. And she is active member of the party. Now, you can find some where the need to not in Nara, our own constituency. And the Senior Mobile behavior no overcome any other. It is the general feeling of the people, the general consensus of the people that we see in to watch according to my paddle and was some yen, and me in a him. Mrs. Ophelia Hayford. Every Namakan, we had proposal as Nazan, Sir, put no or Jituma, it's very Juma, Fantama Papakan, Lemon, Ashrazi, Kasa, I don't know who no auto, Fantaman. Na mostly you'd be a Suggestion honorable for Fancy Foot in Yaman Party, Ebusia, and Jer and Adolfo, Yabay.
Richard Mamino is an offense here. Richard Techimensa is the regional secretary of the NPP Central Region, and I'm in Achuchi and Common Adomano 6.3 FM. Here. Hey, Kafro. ABY.
CJ.
A jamboma.
Ateku.
Boko dear.
Adom, or they are chain.
Edinamiasi.
Or they are chain. Yada. Now, so
and Namiadum. My dear, on Hawaii. Medifia Cotiana by.
Remember name train and Kaube, Uber studio, wouldn't say a day and be see our when my dear Mudru or kind of boot. Then can you young? Can you a bit me as well?
ABY.
I say, Pennipa, I run a can was saying, Cobus what? We no problem. Barbara, he found a bush as a moon. Now, Bashaba, when is what dear? Me, so I wouldn't so as a bone when you saw no me. Menkura Brimo, who na Edabaco. Or ya no can ye, ever for ye be say, wash na man for a can, I'm can be any week about so you're seeing a man penquas a bush. Why she will be a penetrio? It won't umpo once a man near can just ought to know you in any someone. CJ say for a magic, we see no graphic a magic. Say ye pink, cry. I was a say no. Ya near what come. If we are seeing to say, Yama, dear,
me dinner back to become
I want to cry. I say,
I dare you.
I dare back to say, I'm a dear, do one found quiet. Here you go, say, I tell you. I tell you. We didn't mono attack a cool, no, and I tell you. So I tell you, I am a monocle quarter. CJ. Was it he for now? Won't didn't crack up, say, Mamma no one pen.
Concerned youth.
Or more reasons, almost 30 and sing.
Say, woman whom Mamma no ever campaign, political campaign platform be so that. And then they are also asking, say, Mamma no a card bearing member of the party. Anna
John Boadu, General Secretary of the MPP, Amanyuko Nano say,
yes,
or ye party member, Amanyuko no. Oka na juma oyenti na juma no ana woye no na nwose woyi nanim ense so woyi nanim gina campaign platform so say ya na say
oye prosini nti woyi nanim anye yi se
nipa ise adanse no ohia megidi sansa ne ebeka say obi ye a member of a political party no your requirements was say nipa ninya.
Yeah.
What you any dues? Ne card no wo he. Every ben the last time crew to any dues ne bra no ye na dwuma nyina no e wo ho.
Because for how many years?
Exactly. Exactly. Unim I listened to honorable member for Ekumfi Atukudu.
Yes.
Ne best friend eni mrahye badwani ya wa free mu no. Ne best friend I was say ne yire ne nu aduane na odi frifie aba na omadi ne parliament. Or so mobile constituency on Bay Den you or Muna or Nene Boshie. It's here told I was so made me mental, near many be your crime in time, or see a ye be or Becco be or beggar. Na a drew baby or send a year call peacekeeping. Or bear any sick hour de buy, you know. Nina or the Beshemu or campaign a warrior, say, you will be on my from underground rappers. Sir Obani in a nim a year politics and can a juma away, you know, what's Yamra. And Quetiamra, and yes, here, wa West and as wa Central. When we young for your lecture, one who proceed in no nuko tu noa, Sabre, or Quesina Nemuno. Or no NDC a man you kono, they knew him say, or your member, but because of n'adwumenti no on to me megina political platform so say oye campaign eti no ni dues awotua ne niema oye oyi nanim na no no munim say oye member baby an n'adwumenti ye woni pa bebre o mo hyehye nnwuma mu ene ye say o journalist ni pa bia o mo firi mu a ye aye nua kwadwo opon kroma se no oye journalist no oye n'adwuma ene oye minister oye MPP amanyoko no mu eti party ni betumi aboa edi nkyiremu aba ama youth no amasori no se omo se ne ha omo nyina ni dia ene they have the right say omo demand and party ni so wa asede say omo hu say oh say na ekọ se ne omo acha ase a omo di nkyiremu ba no omo famra me kura de me ka say omo be ka say ebia se ne amanfo acha ase e ka kua ni kunu na wu ye ntem dodo ne de ne ba ebi so haw no ba sanya no na ade esese ye de kire won so oye party member otua di so koni se dia omo famra ntem ye mpese nipa bi besa asoye aye maami we te se ne ye maami ba akono maami ba akono ma Lydia de no really oba se enyasem pa na enyasem a enko oba ni kunawu kwan ya so sei ni onamu no onam pain mu oba bia ni kunu be firi mu woni ni kitama kura woni netie ya eti se eniema bi wo honomo na nipa bi be soye ni ye dia be kasa tie nipa no ama ni pain na ye mo a penfo eda party na no so anu animu ya
ekwa mede kakra ka ho no eno a won se yen awia premtobra kase bo no so no ye ne NPP General Secretary John Bodu etwetwe nkomo ha na ye bisa no enema ba komienu bi se said ye kekeke ye. The first question me dey ka bisa nse maame no wo ye party member wo tua to won card no so yes maame no ye party member na de oditi ntiman kra wa manweko no mu ene se wo se maame no wo ye adwuma kra wa underground che ni kunu no the jumbo do se maame no underground wo ye dwuma kra che ni kru no wo se maame no kra ne mpem bebre no ya na o constituency num a wo gi constituency ne report nyina ne wo mo ehawo na asem ne ba ni kru ba na je se wo briefing na wo mo tu nwa na mo enti maame no wo ye card bearing member e wo NPP amanyoko num e na wo san e ye dwuma ye entu wo se ade ne ba sa no man kasa na ase amanyoko na betwetwere wo mo bo se kwan ben na I just less than 2 months and I say a little over 2 months aka ye de kwa koto aba no wo betumi enya obi na amfiri baby amanyoko na kasa mu nipa me kasa no metie constituency no mo coordinator constituency no na wo kasa maame no ida se wo mo de maame ne bema wo mo anase obo papa ba konsusu din se eye the two people no emu ba akon en wo mo panya sa dia
enya nura kura asemo the very day papa ni free mu no CJ interviews or ye Kofi Aje baby an ogina bia people were calling for say
je tan kwa de me enro na menya akwanya ti ahwe ni videos bia na
anjase enro
Mr. Coordinator no na enro na me na menya opportunity amiti enna eda no nkasa so asem ne see yen mehwe other report apart from yenua Kofi Aje kura de na ode baaye no mehwe other media house reports bia wo mo call scene hono a wo mo koye no na je say enipa na nkasa wo mo kromo no we calling say maame no na wo mo hia no enti youth na wo mo ama wo muso no we kura de nkanya de a esese wo mo epia bonte ansa enka wo mo nko o mama nyoko na mu na misampanimfo se aso ye enema ye pese ye hunu ne sa maame no wo ye card bearing
the question is omo ye MPP for sa group no maba no
enam pese me hunu se sa youth na nka sa me bisa se youth from where say wo mo ye youth a wo mo friend MPP kronum anaso wo mo ye youth a wo mo free abato mpesua no so na se e wo se yetimi hunu mu nsunsu na sa de odi kaka we enye bibi de wo mo bisa no kran so enye den if the John Bodu any constituency executives ni nimpefe se asem na wo kan ye no kresa maame no wo ye card bearing member edman MPP amanyoko no a wo mo enyi nkire wo mo na etu nkotwere ba bi etwere
na sa kuya sa
yes am chun maame we
Sasta we na abase nipa no ofiri mu a ye de ne ho kani ebesi na nemu no amanfo ɛwɔ problem with omo ɔmahyɛ aseɛ kasa ba unim sɛ nipa no kɔ no ye competent enough a wokɔ first one yi deɛ ɛyɛ sympathy vote wokɔ first one yi deɛ obiara ni hɔ no mobetumi akasa nyɛ sympathy vote abrɛboɔ ne nneɛma ɛwɔ mu nti no from 2000 deɛ yɛ esi yɛ Sutifi South deɛ esi yɛ saa bɛ no professor ɔno firi mu yɛ de ne yere ba yɛ otumi win ne yɛ efiri hɔ no mo ne esi ɛwɔ Shai Osudoku oklu ɛdeɛ yɛ a ɔno so ni ɔno kora de ne kunu no mmarahyɛ badwam hɔ wɔanya nwura hɔ akwanhyia few amomato ɛna nu onya akwanhyia yɛde ne yere ne baayɛ ɔnso etumi sɛ wo yɛ competent enough because ebi so dia ɔka ne sɛ ebi a ɔba ɔno so ne deɛ no wɔ hɔ ebi dia ɔmo ka ne sɛ o ni obi kura wɔ hɔ no ma politics no nim ho hwe wɔnte amanyɔsɛm na se ne yɛ de naba obi a ɔnte amanyɔsɛm ase no ɛna abato a yɛto no wɔ mayim no wontumi nkomienu mpo ɛwɔ parliament ho eti no wo de sympathy vote no obenya obeba the second term ɛne ne yɛtoatoa so no yɛbɛtumi ahu na si yɛ yɛhu
akuya sɛ okay asamɔgya ne bra mafojan some years ago one more assorted journalist Daily Graphic journalist bi tasem no asempa bɛsɛ ekosi san enre ya so wama san assaulted abranti bi allegedly it is alleged the Jan brothers wama san so assaulted abranti bi na yawo recording audio recording of the alleged assault no enti ma yenti na fi yenti mu yi na fi bibia mene abranti no a osusu say wamdo amasake kanu no ye no so atwetwe enkomo.
You are trying to create an impression here. Before the game we started making excuses.
But you, for your why will you say you slap me?
I will, you see?
But he said so and he even hit me now. He has hit me.
You deserve it.
Wow.
Wow.
No problem.
Take me to the radio station. Now it's so alone.
Jim FM.
Where?
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Jim FM.
You see, he hit me.
Got it. Is that your racket?
Bafo hit me.
Is that your racket?
No problem.
You like talking, eh?
What have I said? I'm talking to the person.
What you make a shut up. Are you psycho or what?
But what have I said against him?
Whose racket is this?
Is that why he hit me?
Jim FM.
Hey, if you say I'll hit you then. Make go on, sir. If you like talk, I'll hit you again.
Wow.
What's your name, guy? What's your name?
Jim FM.
Boss.
Oh, it's okay. No problem. It's okay.
Why?
It's okay.
Jim FM.
Like, what is that how things go here?
No, it's okay.
You say he hit me, Bafoja hit me, and Samaja hit me, and you say you slap me.
No, it's okay.
He threw something against me. No, you are a lawyer.
I'll call
Is
you.
this right?
I'll call you. Just forget about it. It was just a game. I called it.
Sorry, I always call you. I've forgotten your real name.
Veronica.
Veru, yeah. Look at what has happened. Look at the embarrassment.
No. Let's go.
He will beat me. He will continue to slap me.
Let's go.
Aren't you surprised, boss? Are you not surprised?
Jim FM.
Hey, my car is parked there. I have to pass here.
Jim
I
FM.
called the game. I'm so sorry. Please.
But look at this.
Please.
Slap me, beat me, hit me because of a game.
Please.
Okay, no problem.
Please.
Jim
fine.
FM.
Please.
I came for the game.
Please. I'm begging you. God, and I know you are very. You can talk.
You watch. You
It's
see
okay.
what happens.
Please.
It's okay.
Please.
Don't worry. I have money. I know people. No, I'm not saying anything again. Say he has beaten me. He's satisfied. No problem.
But you have my key.
Jim FM.
No problem.
Why you have it? How about this?
This is my car.
It's okay.
Jim FM. Godwin Mate, Ahomano. So Godwin, good morning.
Pacho, good morning.
At the saying,
Yamiado.
Me take game. I call the game. A game being 1-7 no.
Pacho, 10 to your friend 10.
Dadia.
Yeah, game I did that is a ball kick wabia yede you have to say racket, your friend racket.
Okay.
Yeah, the ball. Yeah, the ball no attract na call the other person no.
Oh, okay, tennis.
Yeah, long tennis. Yeah.
Okay. That game na cost we
cost war army officers mess go 37.
Army officers mess were 37.
I try.
And a band is saying Godwin.
Okay, so me enjoy my first time ever. I'm a couple tennis for me, Bobby order. Me bomb tennis was a common tennis sport, but the court year renovation into the court is closed. Into once a while, tennis more society no. It may be say, we bet me call another tennis club. Me call ball tennis or at a deck. It is allowed. Bet me come out ball. Maybe you meet new people, you network and all that. Maybe you see other courts, you buy your own court. No matter ball tennis, anyone can network, anyone changing numbers near that they are a business. There's no thing I may call. I mean, because now my sister is coaching me a fine power. Me call no, me call Coco be bring me new people minimum. I was playing a double game. Double game, nipa me no dey on one side.
Yeah.
Now another nipa me no on the other side.
Yeah.
Now I fall on the court. See, I played that about a few games. And now Oba bi who me wo Oba no, or a lawyer, and also a tennis player. Now only me from Sakuma tennis club. So who me no say.
Oh no na oka say sorry I called the game. Only a friend Veronica no. Okay, to us mama.
On that, any papa. Oh no who me no say, hey, what be here? Na me say, I no say, hey, what ba had here? Wo the opportunity go be there na Asamaja wo ha nti bomodia na no go game back na. Better me arrange game now no bo. Asamaja me say am da, me nim no wo be there, but all kind of me no point Asamaja say Asamaja na general, na me say oh okay, no problem. Me board double team here. Me know about the both fingers back. Because now this was about around 9 o'clock. Inti, your court, you know, you were almost court back on the board doubles. And I may call singles court, you know, so be there at a major version me both singles. In fact, me na me who say a tournament and a game be as that's one of the because gym from market say me cause sweaty. I could get to leisure, just to play any exercise. I didn't go for say for bottom because me bought tournament, but tournament you tell me call tournament. Yeah, again I made call me a tournament. But we me call tell me ko who sa court na try okay. But it's not Veronica can say a person me as a major bunch. I first say it's not bad after a social thing.
That is Veronica no onima Samoajan.
Me gidi so nim no da.
Okay. So aso mame.
Game no start here no. And almost I can say, almost person say, Asamaja share me a member excuses there. Let me see. Now we here because we understand here tournament. You are just having fun, so let's go on. But they kept on emphasizing on that point. And the main problem that I realized was that the umpire now is a referee. I say football referee.
Yes.
Or no, but this is a point in the nothing out there. The umpire was baffled. Yes. But you see,
game na mo bono. Umpire or your referee no Bafojan Asamojan ne bra ona odi referee ewo tennis nim
me patron
to aso mame.
Inti from the beginning me because me say we nya adia gidi kabia da so na say serious match.
Okay.
Yeah, gi ni peke. But no more can say omo person serious match. Na me so me say me di new share no me bomb hu modi. Inti after the point no be ba na it's a kaya say media na ba for e dia ma Asamaja na game no na game no tie no points bi wo ha your friend controversial ball no bet na land wo line so obi be can say in obi be can say out nti mrofo no kro mo ye no grand slam ni championship level professionals no omo wo efidie bi a omo timi di decide the ball no ye in or out your friend no high. But you miss out on ball tennis is not from market in the Africa and technology in common. Most of the points now here line balls now. Almost judge now how tennis got to me who say we there can you guy them. Now, Bafo Jan, the point now, Asamajan. No problem. And I'm saying, okay, you know what? Let's call for a proper match so that we will have a match commissioner, we'll have a neutral umpire, we'll have everything. Mika meba, I mean, say me ba be both tournament, and I'm ba my team. Psychologically, now I'll prepare for a match. Now, we me begin from my first time, ni waha. So I'm planning to say me will be a both serious match. Me after my make I knew. And as I'm and Bafo Jan Bufu say, shut up, you shut up, and go back and go and play. Let me say, hey. But well, then I can. What have we said? We go for gidi.
Somehow any and shut up and go and play.
There was nothing else I said. That's what I said because a game there, but on a tennis game and yet boxing and a football contact game. Because you'll be charming and I'm working on a piano. Tennis back the other side would not on then they see how back idea Bemo be working of a ball. So I didn't say anything strange or extraordinary or provocative. All I said was that I won't play the game again because I felt it was not fair to me. That was it. And about who you complain too much, you go back there, go and play. Just because when the point doesn't come to me, when the point I felt was supposed to be for me, not on the man Asamajan, I remarked, oh, that point they say a good ball. Oh. That was my reaction. And it's normal, even professionals do it. A point makes me land, you can say a point you say a good, even though the umpire say wrong. It's a friend challenge. Play academy challenge the umpire's decision. Normally decide if you didn't make an slow motion of the ball. That way will be a toy. Say umpire near right and not wrong.
Just like we have VAR in football.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Fantastic. It's just like VAR. In the and when you and a Bafo Jan Bufu TV. I can also know that me the bench no so. Tell me mbo ade no biom. Me packing my dia committee boko. Of city when you know that pija me say go and stand there and play. My friend go and say, hey, why are they by force and me say me both man. So if you talk, I will hit you. I will slap you. I'll beat them. Say if you hit me, I will report it to the police. Who is police? Yeah, you can go anywhere in this country. You can take it anywhere. Then the end of somewhere ball me. And the people were trying to hold in at the back. I observed something. It looks like the two of them, they were like the lord of the court. Obias wrong. You know, Obias can't mean back. Support me say anamuya guy say yefe now get na the first about nti then na etia motivate na za
my mimi say already Jam Brothers no omo members of that court and
because mimi get that the
was your first time. Okay. Okay,
but people I spoke to say that is where they play. I don't know if it is true or not. But that's what the feedback I had. So we're only on my main court, on my board. But me, them it means for me, me get near guess. If anyone knew, this is not again no corner. I fear for my life. Now, as someone just nankasa buy, someone nankasa so bad for me say, oh, I don't know, me no more. But they are trying to protect me from him. And as someone just mobile, it's not source. Saying your brother just hit you up. You deserve it. Who deserve it? So I got an opportunity because the way I'm not at the court, I can't go Facebook Live. Let me hear evidence. Because we'll be here, me sebi. Me yakwada. I'll be back before my summer boom because me farak and me Jim from Aboteni. But I knew say me this same call be Diana me dimano keke kokan. Ebe brain jinji. Because we be sister. Ebe I say. I had the slightest opportunity to go on my phone and press my record button because I needed evidence. And this is when your conversation, I mean, your phone privately, I can say it's a private, it's a public occurrence. Anybody could have recorded. So I took the opportunity to press the record button so that if anything happens to me, at least there will be an evidence that this is the conversation that happened when the incident was happening. I was really very threatened. So when I turned on the recording, everything went on. And they were still assaulting me. And if you listen to the conversation, the Veronica felt very bad. And she kept apologizing because she felt embarrassed. And you know, if you look at the demeanor, they were sad.
Godwin, let me play this.
You are trying to create an impression here. Before the game, we started making excuses.
But you, for your, why will you say you slap me?
You see?
But he said so, and he even hit me now. He has hit me.
You deserve it.
Wow.
Wow.
No problem.
Okay. Godwin.
Sir.
Before the game, you started making excuses.
Yes.
I don't know because match any tournament. Price be end so. Now, I mean, just before the game, you start making excuses. Excuses, man, and I will make it. Godwin.
Fantastic question. The point that led to me make an excuse was when they said that ọmọ mpẹ sọ ọbẹ ṣẹ mi ní mẹka sẹ o bi àmà abirẹ àní àdàdo ẹ náà mi sẹ sadi ẹnyẹ tournament ẹnyẹ ska match ska da so then sẹ wọn fa no sẹ serious game bi a then let's pick a proper tournament. That was the beginning. This thing happened even before the game even started. And I'm catching me say okay we the yembo but on best play a proper match. Okay, in
the audio I sense that obi ponche and when a ponche no.
Asamajan, because now Bapoja have bomb me Emerson back Uchi audio no here. After Asamajan bomb you and time I make Asamajan say Bapoja just came to beat me and hit me. I say you deserve it. And on that bomb me can and no now citizen for no also bomb me can you see. Oh my God.
About Hefa.
About me left shoulder. It was about me pa yes say about me say on media bro. Say uti conversation any panu bu any so uti kata make of audio man. I wasn't aggressive and I said provocative and insulting. I didn't say anything but I just reported to you say who you have yesterday. And I almost so catch him saying I deserve to be beaten or some bomb make home. Or for what? Me I was harmless. I wasn't holding any weapon. I wasn't holding anything. They just intentionally inflicted harm and pain on me. And gave me the assurance that I can go anywhere. Police, nothing will happen.
Have you lodged a formal complaint with the police?
It's an issue. In fact, to be honest, me driving with park here at the point, and I was confused. Because the whole thing happened too fast. I had not recovered. Me park and I'm arrested. Then I continue. When I go home, I called my lawyer. Fortunately, he picked up. And I'm explaining the and said, go back straight to the police station and make an official complaint. I went to cantonment headquarters, police headquarters, cantonment, and I call report to a case. When I even played the audio there, all the police were surprised. They were saying, hey, everybody was surprised because initially we can't say I've been assaulted. No, I'm moving my name 222. But when I now pull the evidence, the police now they saw that hey, serious. It wasn't say assaulted. They are independent and make a or bomb Yankasa. So they were worried and they said, okay, from what they are saying and their procedure, I have to go for medical checkup. I have to go for medical report. So I went to the police hospital just beside the police headquarters at the cantonment. And I make examination, medical examination. And a medical doctor, I'm fine. You should know what? No. That he has examined me and he can tell me for a fact that I'm not myself, that I'm not psychologically stable. He will recommend that I go and see a psychiatrist, that he will write in my report now. And I say, me, I'm fine. I say, no. That he is a doctor. I should not tell him, say, I'm fine. He has spoken to me. He can tell us I'm not stable. Psychiatry. I should go. So he wrote it in my report that even though he can't see any physical bruises on me, he can tell me, say, I'm not myself, that I'm traumatized. So I have to go and see a psychologist. That's what he wrote. So I took all the report and went back to the police and then filed a proper formal complaint and then came back home.
Okay. Godwin, enda wase na.
Thank you. Thank you for the
okay, Godwin Martin ameneno atwetwe enkomo no.
You are trying to create an impression here. Before the game, we started making excuses.
But for your, why will you say you slap me?
I will. You see?
But he said so, and he even hit me now. He has hit me.
You deserve it.
Wow.
Wow.
No problem.
Take me to the radio station. Now it's so alone. Where?
Yeah. Wow. Wow. You see, he hit me. He hit me.
Got it, please. Is that your racket?
Bafo hit me.
Is that your racket, please?
No problem.
Wait. You like talking, eh?
What have I said? I'm talking to you.
What you make a show? Shut up. Why are you psycho or what?
But what have I said?
Whose racket is this?
Is that why he hit me?
Whose racket?
No problem.
Hey, if you say I'll hit you then. Make who want us. If you like talk, I'll hit you again.
Jim FM.
Wow.
What's your name? The guy. What's your name? Your friend is saying. Boss. Jim
Oh, it's okay. No problem.
That's okay.
It's okay. Like, what is that how things go here?
No, it's okay.
You say he hit me, Bafojan hit me, Asamajan hit me, and you say you slap me.
No, it's okay.
He threw something against me. No, you are a lawyer.
I'll call
Is
you.
this right?
I'll call you. Just forget about it. It was just a game. I called it.
Sorry, I always call you. I've forgotten your real name.
Veronica.
Vero, yeah. Look at what has happened. Look at the embarrassment.
No. Let's go.
He will beat me. He will continue to slap me.
Let's go.
Aren't you surprised? But
Well, I don't know. No comment.
We kura de nkama yi ho. Abusuan ya de Ghanaian Times e be hyase e wo de ubon krata na poso no mu. Na formina MP wo ye lawyer Andrew Amoakon Asiama na nimfonyi igbo animu. Say who say ye wo limping lawyer e wo mayi mu. The limping MP wono any lawyer Asiama. Na the ubon krata say wo kwam na hye badwam MPP amanyoko nden krata akose na akonwa ne yenka mutu ho. Esa se amanyoku no ede ne kwam na hye badwam no say wo so ode ne ho obekọ kontemkran eti omo so omo ntumi nyina mu ma no eti wo limpi e wo mra hye badwam wunya di Ghanaian Times a ebi ewo mu a wo betumi akenkan bi na CJ Ghanaian Times mu no say yesi yenya ya pra wuni pa kro so ya no pa mampra wo fie ni aba no article Godfred Bedu Tibu watwero di aba no was say erosion take place wo Ghana nyinada ensuo to ana bebe na atutu amena nyina se apra se ye pra wo fie apra ye de pra ye twiada e pra wo fie no yes wo pra no enye wura nko na wo pra na wo pra nwia ka ho eti say yes usi udan ya kwia duan sensa wo fie nanim ensensan so nim sensan
na prayer is
emprefie ho wo so ye na se rubber edida ho no mo a na wasesa rubber no afiri ho duan sensan wo duan sensan ensuo to a enya babia ne na mu a na so de hwe na wo pra ye so ma erosion take place munya ya pra de ubonka ta ne wo de ababi no
ekwa bo we ni taw sima 1 minute
Daily Graphic anope wono so ne dia wode enam nie wo se amanyoko manifestos ahodo no sesei eno so eho asem no akoda ne da retwe na ebinom ya wo mo nimdie ewo oman pontuo mu te se Dr. Akwadwo Asiam Mensa Abrampa kanene ko Director General Edema NIDP National Development NDPC Dr. Nimoy Johnson and Ekase na won bia no nyina mu apai we se manifesto no document a ehu hia e wo man na manwosem ene ne mpontuo mu na Dr. Nimoy Thompson so se enka wute efri se ade no de eyamanoko ne dia enye document bi e beka se eye omamu ne nyina dia enti se enema yetintim e wo manifesto sa wodo no amanoko ne bamba mu no se won fa nya adwuma wontumi nsone mena wontumi nsone na wontumi nya hute eje se empanimfo mienu na apaye we se manifesto ehu hia e wo man na manyosemu na we so se ehu hia enti eno so emu nsem no na Ghana mampani na na Danko Akufo Addo na no presec woni e woko national science and math quiz na wokodi enkunim no wabom abaso wase wo mo ye kings ankasa efrise wo ma gene makomako ensia ya ebi ensi wo school bi amuda enti etwase wo bo wo mabaso efrise ono ankasa old student na eyemra sebedwam tia mepani wono se old student enti eno na se wo abankese mu no sa bra nipa no miensa ekokopie ho na enigi ana aba ho a yede abasobode ma wo na enye asemketo akra na na speaker na ka say was say Mfanteman abato mpesua so no enya dia by election bia ebekoso e wo Mfanteman abato mpesua so if say ye ka say kra de akatro ne bram no oman na ekwa akoto abanti ehun nkonko hia ma oman no ese wo be by elections e wo Mfanteman abato mpesua so CJ enti ene anope
okay
eye national science and math quiz mistress mistress no na daily graphic
bar stop
guest editor
na CJ
bar stop
me invitation bi emma nyame ya domo a
peti ana
kwasie da ebe yi
peti
ye da asondan ye di Kanechi Center Church of Pentecost dedication
and also
eti
but mu we am peti
we be petty atem 13 bebem
say James mo birthday say James mo birthday request Thomas Asie Dumia menua no US and ye ne birthday enti happy birthday menua be ma prekope Thomas Asiedu jiwani wai I petty corona ni guna cause sant and obi
ekwa bonto yadom ne na ekwa champoma safo adu and the bunker tana pot their brain and once that Dura Plus where Dura Plus goes water flow it's here. For 6 minutes and it will be 8 in the morning after 106.3 FM and Sunday at this spot in the Bebre no. Ma main chichi sa enkwamwe na afei yenkwa yanim Lister Foundation Penipa Wadano in fact on Wada Lister Professional Institute ano watranse owura kwaku owusu apia abakwaku bako de
oh nyame adum CJ
yede nyame ase dia free boko
oh trader mpona daruma
minim Leicester Professional Institute but we Leicester Educational Foundation edenia bako
yo edinka ma memfa enchiama adum atiefo and paying so sani wo busa no Leicester Professional Institute educational institution ye diploma ba etranse no any who say your educational sector into na be here say Leicester Professional Institute no ye nya nkrabata bia ye be Leicester Foundation say ne be ya yenso corporate social responsibility be ho a ye betimi dia ye ama Ministry of Education any GES into no busa there's a Leicester Educational Foundation no foundation bia yatia ye pese ye boa senior high schools no and as educational ministries no.
Okay, and so that institute no any foundation no emo
yo and to see them when they say Leicester no edin kan Leicester Professional Institute no ye provide educational services ana eno muna edinya Leicester Foundation
okay
until Leicester Foundation ni dia ye pese ye social corporate responsibility.
Okay.
Niema ye betimi from Leicester no ye betimi aye ade aboa education and as free SHS na aba no.
I see. I see. Afei ma me bisa mfaso a ewo I mean say me de me ho be share sa foundation mu a mfaso a menya free mu adisi a wa kire botaye simani so botaye no ne mfaso a ebenya free mu kwagu.
Yo mfaso na ebenya free Leicester Education Foundation is ye be say mobilize resources ye de ma senior high schools any senior high school bia we Ghana bia ya hu ni say aban ko a ntimi provide all the infrastructures e bia aban no provide buildings no e be hia say foundations no bi wonum so a e bi mu so betimi ya de be provide ana yetana ase ne hu say da bi sa aban esidan na schools no bi wonum no mu so wo omune mo needs bia aban ni ntimi amfama wo mo san say e be hia say Lister Professional Institute no yetimi ni Ministry of Education any GS collaborate ye kabum ye ni mobilize resources e bi to say be furnitures be to say computers be to say libraries see ye betimi assist bi and ma bi a free say aban no nko entimi nya no individual no so no e de be na ye so ye betimi ade so aban no.
Okay, question we hu here me. At what level of education ye can me? Is it at the primary, the secondary, or the tertiary? More target near him.
Yeah, target near secondary.
Okay.
Senior high school.
Okay.
I hold on a person support to because the when say a Lister Professional Institute no. So be senior high school or about Lister. And as Oko University. And so Oko University, that by product no, and as a senior high school for no, some crofon, so they be na yanso, the abuawomo. And a yansu private. And you won't say, Yatana senior who secondary school in Bia, Mibreno, Umunia Amoa. And to not Amoano, so abandon qua entity and provide it because pictures Bia, a bimo adiabano, Wumwa, CJ, or Rabaho, say will be senior high school. Na akunya woteso na utumi se eyedin ano na ma yenso yetana ase ne hu se ene ne senior high school no se ababa be free aban no ko antimi anya bibia but individual no so no e de be ne yenso betimi ade aye provide certain needs bi ade ama senior high school so
enti ka me da be na ye pass foundation ho ntoma
foundation
he fa na be baso
baso o month we ayi wo munya 27th October.
Okay,
e wo Kumasi dichem so yes Sawanyako senior high school. Sawanyako senior high school. And a pass our foundation in Antoma.
Okay.
Na foundation the I ever pass our foundation in Antoman. Sadana 3 schools Ashanti region. Ebenya omo first benefit donation ye be diama
mo afia mo be pa ho ntoma no kra no.
Ye pa ho ntoma.
Mo ye donation de da.
Ye donation no adiama 3 schools.
I see.
Schools me ensano. Senior high schools no me no. Obi abenya 100 monodex 20 bank best ana junior high school ba ko so ka ho ono no benya 100 computer desks and chairs.
Wow.
Ye donate ade ama wo ye wi a the following month no ye be ko central region na ye the western region so atwa so ye atwa so because the ye no ye ni say about 2000 chairs 400 bank best. Any year you donate Adama Ministry of Education, Wachama selected senior high schools across board.
I see. More stakeholders be among Mudin Sawaso, basically about some of the state, what Ministry of Education, what about Ghana Education Service. I feel they were him you.
Yani Adaku, Adebi Educational Complex.
Okay.
Adaku, and Yakabum. And ye mobilize resources.
Okay.
Na Yadiama Ministry of Education, and GES. And Primpri, and any best Yakamfu, a cheerful.
And Sabia meet na me person me dem ho Ebeka Foundation ho Kwame na sem fast war.
I go the first one say if you after lunch
no.
Yeah, the numbers better. Na say e bia amwobia wo a besa wo de beboa. Individual war man na ho den no ontimi anya yi na emom no za foundation no obi bia e kan wakoma se obesa oboa no ebere no so ye launch wi a ye besa aba na ye the information no aba betuga na obi biara e kan akoma so obesa ye nyina ye kabom na ye boa e ma senior high school so no omo so needs no yetimi e support wo mo no akwan da ho ma obetimi e de aba
mpenifobia mato nsa from inauguration no ase ebi ni enforce ha
omo a yeah, train safro mo no mudi dwumade ne Minister of Education Dr. Matuku
Prempe, okay,
and a Deputy Minister Dr. Educhum,
okay,
and a Regional Minister Ashanti Regional Minister and a GS Director Professor Upoku Amankwa omunyina aka ho and ya train safre Asante hene so ene mpanifo mebira omo di omo ni mo nyamba bebeta sai dwumadi kese ya yedi no Ashanti region Kumasi no
Rose up mamenda wase na ye fancy ya
CJ Medas
after inauguration ye besa so na ya twetwe komo bi Kwaku Usuapia is the CEO Leicester Professional Institute.
I will try and make it for the sense of wins and I'm sure Sibona Wednesday
She's a rich girl, she don't try to hide it. Diamonds on the soles of her shoes. He's a poor boy, empty as a pocket with nothing to lose. Sing ta-na-na, ta-na-na. She got diamonds on the soles of her shoes. Ta-na-na, ta-na-na. She got diamonds on the soles of her shoes. Diamonds on the soles of the 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 shoes.
Jim FM 106.3.
Only God can stop us now. 106.3 FM.
Say she's crazy, she got diamonds on the soles of her shoes. Well, that's one way to lose these walking blues. Diamonds on the soles of your shoes. She was physically forgotten, but then she slipped into my pocket with my car keys. She said, you've taken me for granted because I please you. Where is diamonds? And I could say, as if everybody knows what I'm talking about. As if everybody talking about diamonds on the soles of the shoes. Poor boy changed his clothes.
Chief Jerry Forson.
Alex Governor Stone.
Jerry Forson.
Alex Governor Stone.
We're a hard guy. We're a hard guy. Watch internet in this. Watch us watch it. No, watch internet in this. Watch it.
Governor.
Chief, watch internet in this. Watch it. You say no. Trending no na me penny tree. Trending ni tree near there. Trending near there.
Trending. That's a Ujudin. Anambwa.
I was said the echo. I was said the echo. Ujudin. Asan sumi drew a me busa no say trending just enenam. Enenam
ayekwa.
Enenam ayekwa. Obi antimi. Nti trending ase ne.
Mr. Boss to go.
Oh, so trending house in trending.
Ampo. I was trending one am some the country no. Atene.
Ese metra menya nchimo be se dukura. O ta se. Erita se Atene. Ene watene pa.